Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the battery on this key for the key fob. So it is very frustrating when you try to lock and unlock your car and it's not working. So today I have the same problem. It was hit and miss. Sometimes it was working and sometimes it was not working. So I'm going to show it to you today how you can change the battery on this key fob. So first of all, you need to take this mechanical key out. So in order to take this mechanical key out, you have to push this latch to the right. And here is the mechanical key now. So after this thing should pop out. Push this thing in. So once this cover is off, you just need to tap it down so the battery will come out. So once battery is out, now you need to replace this battery. Here we go. Now I got the new battery, and the battery for this one is 2025. So when you put the battery in, please make sure this positive signs goes on the top. Alright, now the new battery is in, and you basically just need to put this cover back on. So again, same thing. And then put this mechanical key back in, and you're all set to go. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.